Welcome back once again to the channel. Now in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to draw this basic 2D drawing in AutoCAD. Okay, so let's see how we are going to do it. Let's get our dimensions first and then we move up from there. Okay, so looking at this drawing carefully, you can see there's an inner circle here with radius 14, with diameter 14, sorry, and this circle here is having a radius of 35. And then there's another one outside here, radius of 42. Now if you look at this design over here, the smaller side is having a radius of 4, and then this bigger side is having a radius of 7. Now let's look at this design over here. If you check carefully, the total length from this end to this end is 14. Okay, and also if you look at this place, the center distance from this center to this center is 14, and then from the center here to the top here is 24. So we are going to open our AutoCAD and then you pick center diameter, because if you check, it is the diameter first, so 14. So just click anywhere and then enter 14 for your diameter. It becomes very small, so just zoom out. Just zoom out, and then now let's draw the second radius, which is 35, this one. So pick center radius, click here, enter 35. Alright, and then the next one, which is the outside one, is 42. So center radius and enter 42. Good. Now we are done with this side. Now let's focus on drawing this inner design. So we are going to draw a circle with a radius of 4 and the distance is 14 from the center. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll just pick circle, center radius. Now I'll bring my cursor here. I'll not click, just drag up and then I'll enter. If you check the distance, it's 24, sorry, 14. That is from here to here. So I just enter 14. See, and then the radius of the circle is 4, so I'll just enter 4. That is it. Now the next one is radius of 7, the distance is 24. So pick, come to the center, don't click, just go up, enter 24. Okay, and then enter a radius of 7. Alright, so you get this design. Now you need to draw a tangent line to it, so just go to line, select the line command, then shift, press the whole shift key, and then right click and then select tangent. Now click this circle and then press the shift key again, right click and then select tangent. Now attach it to this one. Now from here you can mirror this geometry, so select it, go to mirror and then select the center and click. Now come here and select no. Alright, now we need to trim, so use the shortcut TR. Let's trim the unwanted lines. Okay, so we are done with this part. Now if you look at the drawing, there are 4, it's not 1, so we need to use the array command to get our 4 objects. So to do that, just go to array and then select polar array. Now it will ask you to select object, so I want to select this whole object, so I'll just select it. You press enter and then specify center point, so this is my center point. Okay, now how many items do you need? I need 4, so just go to items and then enter 4. You press enter, automatically you get your 4, so we have it. Okay, so what is left is this one here. Now I'm going to draw a straight line from the center upward. Just let it go beyond the circle. Yeah, now I'll offset a distance 7 apart, so 7 here, 7 there. So just pick offset. You can just use the shortcut O for offset and then you press enter. Now it says specify offset distance, so I need 7, so just press enter. Now select this line, move right, select again, move left. Good. Now we need to trim, so use the shortcut TR then trim this unwanted line from there. You don't need this one, you don't need this. Okay, so from here you can delete this line and this line as well. Good. So now we need to, if you look at it, it's, let's count, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. There are 12, so we need 12 numbers. So just go to the array and select polar array. Now you select, just highlight this one and you press enter, and then you specify the center point. Now we need 12, so enter 12 here, and you see we have our 12 object, nice and neatly drawn. Alright, so let's try and dimension our work, and then we will be out of here. Good. So to do that, I'll make sure, let me increase the line width small. So I'll create a layer for my dimension. So to do that, just go to layer properties, new, give your layer a name. I'll give it this name, DIM, and then I'll change the color. I'll choose, let me use this one, and then the line weight also I'll use 0.25. okay, now let me close it. So come here and select the current layer. Good. Now let's start with the dimension. So I'll pick from here diameter, and I'll give this one. Now I'll go for radius. I'll give dimension to this smaller part. Now radius again for this bigger side. Okay, and this one 35, and then radius again for this side is 42. Okay, and then I'll pick linear, which is from here to here, which is 14. Now linear again from the center here to this side is 14. Then linear from here to this side is 24. Okay, so if you check, I think that is all. Yeah, please, if today is your first time of visiting the channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section below and I'll attend to your question. Thank you all for watching, and see you in my next tutorial.